In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the challenge questions when dealing with area of basic geometric shapes. In this particular video, we're going to look at finding missing dimensions, either height or base, for example, when we're given the area of the shape of the total figure. At this point, you're used to finding the area of a figure given all of the dimensions. So in the first shape, we have triangle LON, and before I even jump into this problem, let's get the area formula. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height. Alright, so we are given in this problem that the area is 150 units squared. That's going to equal half the base, which we know the whole base of that triangle would be the 8 plus 12, or 20 units. And the height is what we're asked to find. Find IN. That's the height. Half of 20 is 10 times h then equals 150. Divide both sides by 10 to get the height by itself, and the height would be 15 units. And these are not units squared, which you're conditioned to write at this point because area is what you have found. You find the area of this shape, and the area is always units squared, but the singular dimension of height or the singular dimension of base, those are going to be units to the first power. So 15 units. The second question is basically the same thing. We're just going to change the shape. This time we're talking about a trapezoid. Again, the trapezoid formula, area equals 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. Alright, they tell us in this problem the bases are 13 and 8. The area is 63 square units. And again, we're finding the height to the nearest tenth. That's important, the rounding. So we'll box that, and or we'll underline that. But the height of the trapezoid is what they're asking for, so we can box that. It may also be helpful for you to draw the trapezoid they're talking about. This is the height that we want to find. 8, 13 are the bases, and there's your trapezoid. Find that height. Okay. 13 plus 8 . 21. Half of that times the height equals 63. We're going to multiply by 2 21sts. I don't know why I drew a 24. Two 21sts. It's about to do it again. That's going to cancel the 21s and the 2's over here, leaving us with just the height equal to 63 divided by 21 times 2 is 6. 6. And again, this is units, but they said round to the nearest tenth, 6.0 units. In the challenge problem section, there are several others like this. They might have a different shape, like a parallelogram, or they might ask you to find one of the bases in a trapezoid, but the process is going to be very similar. Hopefully, these examples are helpful for you to unpack some of those challenges.